Today, we will show you some tips and tricks to use Siri effectively and make your life easier. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more iPhone tips and tutorial. Let's get started. Step 1. Enable Hi Siri. First, make sure Hi Siri is enabled on your iPhone. How to check it? Go to the setting and then tap on Siri and search. Make sure you already toggle on Listen for Hey Siri. After you already turn it on, this allows you to activate Siri hands-free by simply saying Hey Siri followed by your command. Step 2. Learn common Siri commands. Familiarize yourself with a common Siri command. Some example that I would like to show you. Hey Siri, set a timer for 10 seconds. Siri going to set a timer as our request or command. Another sample is, Hey Siri, remind me to buy milk at 6 p.m.
Okay, I added buy me up for this evening at 1800 hours.
Yes. Another sample is, Hey Siri, what's the weather like today? Okay. The more you use Siri, the more commands you will discover and be better Siri will understand you. Step 3. Using Siri for texting and calling. You can save time by using Siri for texting and calling. Just say, Hey Siri, text Michael, I'm on my way. Send.
Done.
Or you can give a command, Hey Siri, call Michael.
Calling Michael mobile.
Then Siri will handle the rest, allowing you to stay hands-free. Step 4. Control smart home devices. If you have smart home devices compatible with Apple HomeKit, you can control them with Siri. For example, say, Hey Siri, turn off the living room lights. Or, Hey Siri, set the thermostat to 72 degrees. Step 5. Ask Siri about your day. You can get a quick overview on your day by asking Siri, Hey Siri, what's on my calendar today? It seems there's nothing scheduled for today because I don't have any schedule for today. Or maybe I can say, Hey Siri, what are my reminders for today?
You have 3 reminders due today. Trust me, Sonia last Saturday, 11 o'clock. Pick up John last Saturday, 11 o'clock. Buy me up this evening at 1800 hours.
Siri will provide you with the information you need to stay organized. Step 6. Use Siri for navigation. You can ask Siri for direction by saying, Hey Siri, navigate to the nearest coffee shop. Siri will open the suggestion, for example, Starbucks.
That may be beyond my abilities at the moment.
I'm going to repeat again. Hey Siri, navigate to the nearest coffee shop.
One option I see is Test Coffee 17 on Pranayron in Bandar Lampung.
Starbucks.
One option I see is Starbucks in Bandar Lampung, about a kilometer to your north. Want to try that one?
Yes.
Okay, I can call that location or get directions. Which would you like?
Get direction. And then Siri will open Apple Maps and provide you with turn-by-turn direction. Step 7. Customize Siri's voice and language. You can personalize your Siri experience by changing its voice and language. Go to Setting and then tap on Siri and search. From here, you can select Siri voice to choose a different accent or gender. You can also change Siri language in a setting, Siri and search and language. You can change the language from here. And there you have it. With these tips and tricks, you will be able to use Siri on your iPhone more effectively and make your life easier. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friend, and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tutorial. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye!